For summer, I haven't been using a lot of foundation, just a little bit, you know, because I get hot. Just put a little bit, not a lot. That looks really messy, but it'll look decent. Trust. It's a little trick. So I use my sponge, don't mind, it's kind of dirty. And then I use the Jungle Rock, Bretman Rock face mist. Just spray on it a little bit. And this like dampens it, so I don't have to keep going to the bathroom or to the faucet and spray it on. Don't forget your neck. Blend it on. And then go in with like a nude shade using Tempera from the Soft Glam palette for eyebrows. Make sure you're combed out. I've been using a face razor to clean up my brows, the excess hair and all. And they work really well. So for my eyebrows, I'm gonna use the Cypress Umber shadow. I like using eyeshadow a lot for my eyebrows. I think it's easier. It's easier to build them up, and you know, it's just lighter and softer. Some days I want like a soft brow. Some days I want a little bit more of a dramatic brow. I just feel like it's easier to control how much product you're putting on the eyebrow. So I'll be back when I have eyebrows. Don't be alarmed, everything's gonna look better with my makeup on. I think I kind of want to do like a fall bronzy look, like with some browns and maybe a little like red in there. We'll see. I'm gonna start with Rustic, pretty brown, light brown color for transition color. Start with a light hand, blend that out. I kind of like to do a cat eye with my eye shape. I feel like it suits me best. So kind of elongate the strokes to my eyes. I have really small eyes, but a really big lid space, so I feel like this is the technique that works best with my eye shape. I'm gonna go in with Cypress Umber, a little darker, smoke it.
Ooh, that's spot on, huh?
Go with a mix between these two browns. Make it kind of thick. Thick with 3 C's. Don't be shy. I'll show you guys these lashes I got. Alicia lashes. I got these on Amazon for like, I think it was like $12 or $15. Super cheap, and you get tons of lashes.
Can't be sleeping, keep on waking without the woman next to me. Guilt is burning, inside I'm hurting. This ain't a feeling I can keep, so blame it on the night. Don't blame it on me, don't blame it on me. Blame it on the night. Don't blame it on me, don't blame it on me. Blame it on the night. Don't blame it on me, don't blame it on me. So blame it on the night.
Glad on. My camera doesn't like it anymore. What is this called? My camera just fell off of this. Wow. Wow.